Dear students, myself is Pradeep Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of ACE. So in this semester, I would like to teach the course Essence of Indian Traditional Knowledge. And in this video, the course introduction has been given. Let's get started. So this is the prerequisite for the course to understand better. The first one, knowledge on the ancient Indian education and knowledge on ancient Indian history, knowledge on architectural developments in ancient India, and basic knowledge on the traditions in India, and knowledge on yoga. So these are the prerequisite to understand better for the course of EATK. And let me tell you the course objective of EATK. The objective of this course is to facilitate the students with the concepts of Indian traditional knowledge and to make them understand the importance of the roots of knowledge system. And it also aims at imparting basic principles of thought process, reasoning, and inference. So these are the two primary objectives of the Essence of Indian Traditional Knowledge. Now these are the four outcomes, as you already know, in every course when you refer, and we'll be having the 4 units and the outcomes we are taking from each and every unit. Now let us discuss about the first outcome. So you'll be getting a knowledge on summarize the basic structure of Vedas, Upavedas and Vedangas. So that you are going to be learning the concepts in the unit number 1. And coming to the second outcome from the unit 2, you need to explain the Vedas as principal source of knowledge for the scientific inventions. And third outcome is that describe the different yogasanas, breathing techniques, chakras, meditation and their benefits. And the fourth one, you need to discuss the benefits of yoga as an effective tool for the management of human crisis. So these are the 4 important course outcomes of the course EATK. Now these are the textbooks that you need to refer for understanding. The first one is mostly we are taking the content from the first textbook only, and you need to refer the chapter 2 and 3. And we have also given additional information resources as a Yoga Sutra of Patanjali from Ramakrishna Mission, and also you'll be getting a knowledge on holistic science and Vedanta when you look into the reference textbook. So these are the textbooks and the references that you need to refer. And this is the course patent. Actually we have identified to study the patent of Ayurvedic composition for diabetes, and this has been already uploaded in the course web. Once you log into the course web, you can easily identify what is the content actually which is there in the course patent. And the student will be identified in week 3 class, and they need to present a course patent, and that identified student has to give the PPT presentation on this course patent, and this will be on week 3 or week 4, and the due for submission of the CP before MSc 1, that is week 7. So this is the essential things that you need to understand with respect to the course patent. And coming to the course research paper, and this is the research paper we have identified the course faculty of EATK, and which has been already uploaded onto the course web. Now you can take a look of that. Stress management. So that's the title of the research paper, and a case study of the professional students on impact of meditation and yoga on stress levels. And full paper is already available, and one student will be identified in one class, and that student has to give presentation on CRP on week 10, and the due for submission of the CRP before MSc 2. So these are the 2 special assignments actually as part of the additional assignments that you will be having A1 and A2. And in addition to that, so these are the special assignments. Now each and every student has to write the summary. Now KS keys to be acquired by the student for the course EATK, and these are the 4 important qualities, and then knowledge and skills will be given here, and the details of the knowledge areas to be acquired through this course. The first one, the basic structure of the Indian knowledge system, and then Indian perspective of the modern science, and basic principles of yoga and their benefits. Okay, that you can get from the content of the course. And coming to the skills, summarize the basic structure of the Vedas, Upavedas and Vedangas, and you need to explain Vedas as the principal source of knowledge. This we have already given as an outcome. And then describe the different yoga asanas, breathing techniques and everything that we'll be getting from this. So these are the identified skills from the content which I have framed. And then qualities, These are the details I have given in the slide. The first quality, academic integrity, and then effective judgment, ability to work independently, and the time management. These are the four essential qualities, or we can say these are the values and attitudes for each and every student has to focus. Right, so because when you go for the next semester, we'll be having the seminar, and then you'll be having mini project and major project. The way how we are going to be doing the work independently is also very important. So these many qualities actually every student has to acquire. Now, right, so coming to the assessment, so the same assessment, the way how the assessment is going to be done for the normal professional courses, though which is a mandatory course, but the assessment or the evaluation scheme will be same. Now we need to write the 2 minors, minor 1 and minor 2. Minor 1 will be scheduled on week 5. So these are the dates you can easily identify from the slide. And then mid-semester examination 1 out of 30 marks. And that will be scheduled on week 8. And these are the dates. And the minor 2 will also be there in week 13. And MSc 2 on week 16. And the last day of instruction for the semester is 6th April 2024. And then end semester examination for 60 marks we will be writing, and that schedule will be announced by the examination branch. And in addition to that, we will be having the teacher assessment, right? That means CP, CRPs, and then A1 and A2, just before I told you the same. And the submission dates that will be uploaded in the course web. Once you download the OBLS or lecture schedule from the course web, you can easily identify on which date you need to submit assignments. This is a for example actually I have given to understand better actually the way how we are calculating the continuous internal evaluation. For example, a student secured the following marks. The student has written the first mid examination and he got 10 out of 30. And MSc2 also he has written, and he or she got 20 out of 30. So the MSc marks will be awarded like this. 70% of the highest marks in 2 MScs will be taken into consideration. So the 70% of 20 in this example plus 30% of 10. So total 17 marks will be getting out of 30. So this is the way how the calculation will be done for MScs. And in addition to this, and we'll be also including the teacher assessment mark, that is CP, CRP, A1 and A2 and 2 minus. Okay, so the total component of CIE could be 40 marks, and we'll be writing an examination for 60. So put together we'll be writing the 100 marks examination for every course. And this is the course content of EATK, and the major topics I have given in the slide. For unit 1, introduction Vedas. Mainly you are going to be learning Vedas and how it has been came from the ancient India, and the classification and the structure of Vedas and everything that you will be getting from the unit number 1. And then unit 2 you will be having the modern science, the architectural developments in India, and the medicine and its relevance, and how the mathematical sciences will be there in the Vedas with respect to that, and everything that will be getting knowledge from unit 2. And in unit 3 you will be learning yoga and holistic health. So what are the different posters actually, and for each and every poster what is the benefit that you will be getting, and everything that you are going to be learning from unit 3. And with respect to unit 4, the case studies actually yoga practice as an effective tool for the management of human crisis, mental health and the yoga for the stress management. So some of the case studies you will be learning in the unit number 4. So this is the weightage actually we have given for each and every unit. The content weightage is 25% of each and every unit. So this is the way how you are going to be learning each and every content of the course EATK. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video.